This is Nasco's 5-pound tool balancer. And this is Nasco's 48 to 66 pound tool balancer.
So the hook on the top can swivel, and it has an incredible 59-foot long cable. And the bolt on the back can adjust the tension strength for the cable. And the green dial on the front will show you the tension strength that the cable is set at.
So I'm gonna hang this up and show y'all how it works. All right, so I got this hanging up and I left it pretty low just because I'm a short guy and it'll be easier to tweak while it's down low. So it's got a lock right here on the back. So I'm gonna pull out some slack and then lock it in place so that way I can hook up my tool. And the tool we're testing is the Echo CS 800P. This is a 36-inch bar on our biggest chainsaw. So right now, this has a little bit too much pull strength because I have to push down on the tool to get it in the place I want it. So I'm gonna adjust the bolt on the back to be able to loosen the pull strength. So with the Nasco Tool Balancer, it pretty much makes any tool that you hook up to this weightless. Now this one is rated for 48 to 66 pounds, but they have so many more different options to go through. So Nasco did an incredibly good job with this. It's extremely compact and really durable. You got all the adjustments you'll need right here on the back with the lock, and you're able to move your tool around with ease. So if you're looking to take the weight off of your back, literally, then check out the Nasco Tool Collection at pentoolco.com.